Good morning, everybody. Happy Vlogmas day number 2. So today's going to be a little bit of a show and tell. I may run over my 5-minute mark. That's just because I want to show you some amazing hats that I got from my mom's charity. But I did want to let you know today's mainly just the show and tell. So I got this awesome package right here. Just going to show you the top from Star, and in it, where's it at? There was a little note, and in the note it says, Melanie, I know they're just hats, but I hope your mom's girls can get some good use out of them. Absolutely, and there's no such things as just anything. The fact that you took the time to make these hats and send them so that I can give them on to the girl, pass them on to the girls, I think is amazing. So it doesn't matter what you make. I appreciate everything that you can send. It's awesome. Okay, so I'm going to show you the hats, and I'm seeing them for the first time. I mean, I opened it up, so I've seen like just what's kind of on the edge, and there's some super soft yarn in there, but let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so hat number 1. Ooh, look at this one, homespun. So it is very soft. Oh, I love it. I love the texture on this. I need to make hats from home. This is homespun, right, Star? I need to make some hats, more hats from homespun, because those are awesome. I love how squishy that is. And I don't know what yarn this is, but it sure is gorgeous. Look at that hat. So pretty. And soft, super soft. Okay, and ooh, look at the fuzziness in this one. Oh, how cool. So cool. I may have to tell Mom, these are for the girls, not for you, Mom, for the girls. Oh, and another one. Oh, look at that. I love these hats with the soft fur in here. So cool. So many hats, Star. I mean, they're still, I have like, it's not even halfway down. You guys are so amazing. You really, really are. Oh, and this is that soft teal and purple yarn. Just a different type of hat, which is gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And this yarn is so soft. I don't know what kind of yarn, what yarn that was, but it is a very soft yarn. Okay, and here is, oh, so cute, a nice black and white one. So cute. Super duper cute, love it. Okay, and more. It's kind of, I have it underneath the arm, I have it underneath the arm for the thing here. So, oh, another one, and it's a little bit of a different texture here at the bottom, and I think this might actually be a different yarn here at the bottom, and then this is the homespun yarn. So super soft. Yay! Yay, yay, yay! No kitty cat. I'm trying to keep the cat off the table. He doesn't listen well though. Kitty cats don't listen well. Okay, next one is, oh, this one's so cute! It's gray with just a little line of like a burgundy with a flower on it. How cute is that? I love it. Awesome. All right, next one is, ooh. So this is black with a little bit of pink in it. Look at that detail. That's so pretty. I love it. Okay, and then I'm running out of room because of all these hats that Star sent me. She's amazing. Ooh, look at this one. This is a nice textured hat. I think this is a Bag O' Day hat. Or I think I recognize this hat. I think this is one I've seen her wear often, but that's a that's a beautiful textured hat. I love it. And then, ooh, in this burgundy color, or like a wine color. So pretty. Okay, and I think I just have one more to go. Yes, I feel it. One more to go. And another one, but in the sparkly. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. This one, I think that they're going to have to fight my mom for. No, I'm just kidding. My mom will not take any of the hats. She knows that they go to the girls. But holy smokes, this is so pretty. I'm wearing my PJs still, you guys. I'm wearing my PJs. It's still early for me. Oh my gosh, it was 25 degrees outside when I woke up. 25 degrees. I want to say that's too cold, but it's not. It's December. It's not too cold. I moved to the mountains. That's what I can expect, right? Star. These hats are gorgeous. And they will get a bunch of use. We're about to go into our cold season, and you've got something for every outfit. And I mean, you're amazing, Star. Thank you so much. I will get these passed on to my mom this weekend, and I will pass on in my Vlogmas for probably Monday. I will pass on any notes that she wanted to share with you about these hats. So I will get these passed on, definitely. Thank you again so much, Star. You're amazing. Mwah, thank you. Okay, so I know I'm over my 5-minute promise here, but I wanted to share all of those hats. And I just have one more thing to share today. Remember how I told you I was going to start a blanket and make this blanket and do a little bit each day and kind of show the progress as I go along? So I did start my blanket yesterday. It is going to be traditional Christmas colors. Right now I've just got it started with the white and the green. So, and I gotta, give me just a minute here. Okay. Alright, so this is this Afghan that I found it originally on Pinterest, but it's available on Ravelry, and I will try and link that down below, but it is a free pattern. So this is the blanket. So I don't know if you guys recognize this pattern. It'll get a lot more recognizable as I make more, but this is called Kitties in a Row Afghan. Okay, and look, so when you look at it, look at the green. It looks like a little kitty peeking over the side of like a couch or something, doesn't it? It's so cute. So the way that I'm doing this is, so I have the white, and then I'm going to have a row of green, and then a row of white, and then next will be a row of red. So that's going to be next. So I will have a little bit more of the white with the red, and then another little bit more of the white. And I figured this out, and I need to do 3 rows a day. I probably will do a little bit more than that because I'll probably end up doing a border. Each little kitty section is 2 rows. So like I've got, this is a starting, so it's not really a kitty section, but down here I have 2 rows, and then 2 rows, and then I have 1 row. So I'll do at least another 3 rows today. And I will show you that as I progress each day. And that is everything that I wanted to show you. So I am approaching 9 minutes now, which is so not what I promised, but hopefully the next ones I'll be able to keep my promise and keep them at the 5-minute mark. We'll see. I'm a little bit chatty. I know how I can be. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. You guys have an amazing day, and if you don't watch me again with this whole Vlogmas thing, then make sure you have a happy holiday. And those of you that are joining me each time, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Mwah. Bye-bye.